Hey guys, so today we're going to be reviewing on New York City subway map from 2017. Okay, so I like New York subway map. I love that fact that the queue is extended to 96th Street. But I still wish the T train existed. And I also wish that the Arthur Kill Road station of the Staten Island Railway was built also. This map is completely out of date because National and Atlantic stations are still on the Staten Island Railway, and the NDF train is still express in Queens, and the Q train still has its bullet. You see, look, no F service during late nights. It's all strange. Okay, it's all for today. Okay, thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, click on notification bell on next video, and goodbye.